Hey guys, welcome to Showcam. Today we're going to be doing an exhaust modification on my 2009 Polaris 850. We're going to be removing the old tips and putting on an angled tip like these ones here. They've got a bit of a bend to it, so they're going to shoot out towards the back better. They're also a little bit bigger, which hopefully will make it a bit deeper sounding and also look a bit more aggressive. So we're going to see how that goes. But the plan is to drill these out or just cut them off. Having a look inside the tip here, it's hard to see on video, but there's a pipe that bends into the muffler, which means we can't just get a hole saw and drill straight over that. We're going to have to chop them off, which may not be as loud, but hopefully it will be a bit deeper sounding. Right, so I've removed the muffler so that we can work with it on the bench. It'll just be way easier to cut and drill with it off the bike, so I've gone and removed that and plopped it on the bench here. Next we'll have to get into cutting. Right, so I've just marked where I'm going to cut the old tips off and where I'm going to have to dish in the new tips so that they sit perfectly flush, but they're pretty much going to have to sit right on there like that. Now I wouldn't be a YouTuber without starting without the mufflers. Alright, so I've gone ahead and I've chopped off the old tips. The new tips are going to come and they're going to sit right in place just like that. So I'm pretty much going to do just a weld straight around it. I'm going to have to pay quite a bit of attention to try and get them perfectly straight. Plan is to get the one sort of tacked in place and we'll come on with the other one and then get that so that they both face the perfect same direction and they're both the exact same height. Right, that's the first one tacked on. Now it's time to get this one in place. Alrighty, all welded up now. Next step will be to sort of clean it up. I'm going to spray some matte black spray paint just in the exhaust there to seal up the old tips. And then we're going to sandblast it and finish it in a nice heat chrome that will make it look quite nice. Right, so it's all sanded up now. We're going to be using this high heat aluminium paint that's going to sort of be our base coat, and then later once that's all painted up we're going to go over with the chrome. Right, so that's the aluminium base coat sort of all finished up. Going to wait for that to dry a bit and then we're going to go over with the chrome. To be honest, it looks quite nice without the chrome ready, but I reckon once the chrome's on it's going to look awesome. Right, so for the chrome I'm using this Chrome Bright. You can see here it's all been painted up. I think it looks amazing. Once it dries it's going to look so good, and then once it's against the bike it's going to look even better. So yeah, we'll be chucking it on next and seeing what it sounds like. Alrighty, just about dry now. As you can see, it just looks absolutely awesome. You can see I've masked up the stainless steel tips, so I'm going to leave those exposed stainless steel and I think it's going to look great. So there you have it guys, the Polaris 850 exhaust all done. In my opinion it looks great, it sounds way deeper. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked with it, I reckon it's worth it. Yeah, I'm sure there's definitely ways you can make it even louder than it is. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, if you want to consider doing this to your 850, I'd recommend it. Or if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment what you thought, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.